His cat will reach and get his paw under the gap-in door. So it's side that thing, you can reach, it's quite climb up behind your shelves now from off. Getting all that spring with its paw, stretching it back out and round it go. So basically we're getting woken up by it. About 5 o'clock every morning from the cat. Stop now and get it. Oh, what's it?
Up. It's cruising.